Hey folks, this side is Karthikeya Chawla again on the behalf of Jam and Panther team. Today we'll be discussing about part 3 of the Panther web tutorial. Again, alongside me, I have Amrit Kaur Maldonado, Product Support Manager, Jam and Panther.
Thank you, Karthi.
Okay, on to exercise number 3. With exercise number 3, we are going to validate our fields with JavaScript instead of GPL. All right, and this it's less costly because it's more efficient also because it lessens the trip out to the server for GPL to execute. In addition to adding JavaScript behind the login push button and the reset push button, we are also going to replace our HTML file with login3.html. So we'll get some nice JavaScript alert messages as opposed to the messages that appear on the top of the browser. All right, so let's go ahead and click on each of these buttons. I'm going to copy this JavaScript. Again, we're trying to validate these empty fields in JavaScript as opposed to using JPL and have some nice JavaScript alert pop-ups appear. On the reset button, I'm going to copy the JavaScript that should clear the fields. And one more thing I'll have to do is replace its login 2 with login 3 and press OK. All right, so let's go back to my browser, reset it. Notice earlier I was getting these messages on top of the browser. Now let me refresh this. Yes. And if I were to press the login button, I get a nice JavaScript alert message box instead of my message on top of the browser. And this will actually reset my fields in JavaScript. All right, and again, let me just show you how I'm actually executing my JavaScript alert box right there. Okay, so that's all I've done here in exercise 3.
Thanks Amrit for this amazing tutorial. If you like this video, please like, share and subscribe to our channel. Also, if you have any comments, please put them in the comment section below. And the next tutorial for this will be releasing the next Friday. Thank you.